Welcome to Biozenta, an organization that believes in its core values of human helping human. With this motto, Biozenta serves humanity with its robust quality products using QBD approach. Our ultra-modern manufacturing plants and R&D facility, which comply with international regulatory standards such as PICs, EU GMP, are located in the lush green, eco-friendly pharmaceutical area in Una, Himachal Pradesh. We have a strong expertise in manufacturing and export of critical care life-saving products, specifically in form of liposomal, microspores and nanoparticle products for oncology and general range of products in liquid injectable, lyophilized injectable, pre-filled syringes, tablet and capsules in its state-of-the-art, separate and dedicated facilities. Biozenta exports to over 30 countries across Asia, Africa, Latin America, CIS, Middle East, North Africa. The company has over 180 international product registrations, with many more under registration. As a result, Biozenta is emerging as one of the leading and fastest growing major Indian pharmaceutical manufacturers and exporters. We actively participate in all government, Ministry of Health and local tenders for pharmaceutical formulations worldwide. With a deep belief in regulatory and corporate cultures, the company has established its headquarters in Mumbai and Mohali, India, and is expanding further across continents. Our ultra-modern manufacturing units dedicated for oncology and general injectables located in Una, Himachal Pradesh are equipped with the latest technology equipment and have vast manufacturing capacities. All our plants adhere to international regulatory standards and CGMP norms. We ensure uniform men and material movements to avoid cross-contamination. Biometric access controls are provided to restrict and control personnel and material movement throughout the manufacturing plants. Majority of our equipments are 21 CFR Part 11 compliant and having PLC and SCADA controls with latest technologies and optimized with minimum human touch. Quality is our major strength, and we have a state-of-the-art quality control laboratory with the latest instruments such as HPLC, GC, TOC, FTIR and filter integrity testers. Biozenta management believes in automation and has implemented online ERP systems to control all processes, starting from purchase to quality control and production, covering the complete quality management system. Daily meetings, open hall sessions, and management review meetings are conducted to empower and strengthen the complete quality system. Continuous training, both internal and external, is a mandatory part of Biozenta's quality system for all employees. In line with its futuristic vision, Biozenta has also come up with its latest oncology API and external preparation manufacturing facility named BioGracia Medicare for manufacturing of creams, ointments, lotions, medicated soaps, shampoo, dusting powders, mouthwash and dental gels. Under the visionary and dynamic leadership of Shri Deep Narayan Sharma. Biozenta is achieving new milestones and reaching new heights in the global Indian pharmaceutical industry and worldwide operations.